would to should do betting in my beat him lay beat a lion backward dolly. A miana leon chicken body and a little piantobame. Motive verb depicted the could to should to do and now my mere verb one cap be a light party. Uma deep verb to be a buff on your G like my solution. A miss R verb one. Past and was where being. Motive verb they are name ya quasi do a base bound if the MS how namuna dredging I would is. I should အဲ့လိုမျိုးအများကြီးအနေအများကြီးခွဲနေစရာမလိုဘူးပေါ့နော်အဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်သူ့ရဲ့အခြေခံကြတဲ့ base ပေါင်းနဲ့တွေ့ရတယ်အဲ့တော့ verb to be အခြေခံကြတဲ့ base ပေါင်း verb 1ပါလဲဆို BEP ဘာသာပြန်သဘောတရားရဆိုလို့ရှင် should ကလုတ်တဲ့နဲ့အကြံပေးတဲ့နေထားတိုက်တွန်းတဲ့နေထားမျိုးတွေမှာသုံးတယ် with ကကျတော့ imaginary situation တွေနောက်တစ်ခုဖြစ်နိုင်တဲ့အနေထားရှိနိုင်တဲ့ဟာမျိုးတွေမှာသုံးတယ်အဲ့တော့ဆုံးတာပြောခဲ့တဲ့ modal verb တွေက verb 1အနေနဲ့တွေ့ရဆို example လေးနမူနာလေးကြည့်ကြည့်အောင် they should leave now Usually more. He would help you. I would go if I had time. These are down your verflay or chalajiji solution. Leave tokwadi. Eat sadi. Help kunidi. Go dwadi. Daddy gone long go low shamu bade. Yadi pitted the low sound not a cool piade. Subject a low samu piam you do action verb de locore. Bio jarabania new maton leso in dilutiao get sick and samu nata feelings day, and state or condition a chain piare nata in your matone. Much my sanders lady of your me. These should be or would be or the modern knock up perform your line and solution. Noun line and ashide, adjective line and ashide. Being the child for fine zero line and I she there, bono. You should be happy, below cancer the netless like feelings go piare. You should be more careful that. About Jampura solution, state condition, the physical condition, he would be a great teacher. The now at the to Butara. It would be nice to meet you in person. Solution at the Agamabe. She should be working now. To Lolo ne limit workload as a action buffet and a billion a jama can die. Da bow your so ongoing action. The lepinese as a chini the cool your gin don't and it's all in a comparison little bit. She should go. She should be ready. Action as take up yare. He would help. He would be angry. You should study. You should be focused. အဲ့တော့ဒါလေးတွေကတခြားအမျိုးမျိုးသုံးတာလေးလည်းရှင်းနိုင်ပါသေးတယ်အဲ့တော့ဒီလောက်ဆိုနည်းနည်းလေးရှင်းသွားလောက်ပြီလို့မျှော်လင့်ပါတယ် Thank you so much. Bye bye.